How to fix your Bluetooth mouse is not working in Windows 11. So if you have your mouse connected to your computer but nothing is happening, here's a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is just go and open up your start menu and click on settings. Now from the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices, and then you'll need to scroll down to Bluetooth. Now go and turn Bluetooth off like so. You can then wait 5 seconds and go and turn this back on. Now go and scroll down and click on devices. You can then scroll down again and click on more devices and printer settings. Now here's a list of all of the devices that you've previously connected to your computer. So if you see your mouse from this list, just go and right click on the mouse. You'll then need to press remove device and go and press yes. Now once your mouse has been removed, click on add a device. Make sure your mouse is in pairing mode and you should be able to see the Bluetooth device from this list. Now if you can't find your mouse, go and close out of this window. So the next thing we're going to do is open up the start menu. You can then search for the word services and click on this window. Now go and scroll down until you see Bluetooth support service and double click on this. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic and then press apply and OK. You'll then need to right click on the service and press restart. Now once again, check to see if your mouse is now working. If you're still having an issue, then open up your start menu, search for the word troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot settings. Now select other troubleshooters and then scroll down to Bluetooth and click on run. Now this is going to test for any issues with the Bluetooth on your computer. So just scroll down the page to this automated diagnostics and press yes. You can then wait while it checks for any issues with your Bluetooth. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your start menu. You can then search for Device Manager and click on this window. Now go and click on the drop down arrow next to Bluetooth and see if you can find your mouse from this list. If you see your mouse listed here, then just go and right click on it and press Update Driver. Now press Browse My Computer for Drivers and press Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. You can then select Bluetooth and press Next. If it's still not working, just make sure the batteries in your mouse is fully charged. You can also try replacing the batteries and that should have solved the issue where your mouse is not working.